Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great. So I recently tried the Elf Putty blush in the shade Caribbean. I got this for like 890 rupees from Nika and I'm really impressed. The color is beautiful, vibrant coral with a subtle sheen, perfect for adding a healthy flush to the cheeks. The texture is creamy and blends effortlessly into the skin, giving a natural dewy finish without feeling greasy. It's long lasting too, staying put throughout the day. Plus, it's super affordable, making it great value for such high quality performance. There are a range of shades, so choose according to your preference. As I spread it across on my hand, it melted into my skin, and the texture really did the form more of cream powdery hybrid. I mean, it's so pigmented. Just look at the texture. I'm loving it. This is the second purchase of mine after Benetton. This is my another favorite, and it's again a compliment getter. For me, it's a blind buy, so I highly recommend you to try at least one time, and you won't regret. So yeah, that's it for today. Now I hope you like it. If you do, then please subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care.